So let's continue with these tutorials about Unreal Engine and VaREST plugin. So in the last tutorial I showed you how to upload an image to a server using the VaREST plugin. I show you that I create some extra node to goes from the file path to the bytes array and then send it to the server, and we saw that it was working. And now to answer a question that I received. So let's learn today how to download that images that we have in the server using the same plugin. So I will have to make some modifications, but we will start from the same file and the same project that we finished last time. Then I will upload it to the repository, and also I made some modifications to the server side. I will also upload those changes so you can see the example projects and from there adapt it to your own solutions. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, let's change a little bit this. We will delete this and we'll create a custom event that will be upload image. Yes. Now we'll create a new one that will be a custom event that will be download the image. So this request is simpler than the other one. We will use again the VaREST subsystem. We will construct the JSON request. In this case, we will use the verb get because we are getting information from the server, and our content type in this case, it's a URL encode. I already made tutorial explaining how to put parameters to this type of request, so you can go and check in the playlist of the Unreal Engine tutorials. Next step from here, let's bind event on request completed, and let's make here some small rerouting, and let's also bind event on request failed. So I will do here, it's simple. Let's copy this one for the one that fails. Yes. And add custom event and download failed. Okay. And in case it will fail, we will have a feedback and we will print that response. Before go to the one that it's completed, let's process this request. So in my server example, the URL is quite the same. Actually, I will update here because I changed the port. Okay, it's pretty much the same. Let's come here. But then I have to pass the name of the photo that I'm uploaded. So the one that I'm uploading, sorry, the one that I'm uploading, it's photo no image. This is the name of my photo in the server. I will also change it here because it's no image. Yes. Okay, so this is my URL, localhost 5000. Yes, everything seems okay. And now let's come here. Add custom event. Add custom event. Let's rename this to download completed. Yes, and just for the first try, let's do this. Let's print the response and let's see what happened. Okay. So to get access to this, We will create also a small user interface. So I'll create here a new folder that will be like widget blueprints. And I will create here a user interface with the name VaREST UI. Okay, so here we are. I will add simple canvas, some vertical box, some horizontal box inside here, one button with text, and this I will duplicate it. So yes, so this canvas, okay, this vertical box, let's put it in the full screen. This horizontal one, let's put it auto. Yeah, it's better like this. This bottom, it's fill, but in the middle. And this one, fill, but in the middle. Also, I will add to this vertical box an image. So there we will put the picture that we will download. Okay, this one will be fill. And now let's come here. This bottom is bottom upload. This is the one that will load the photo to our server, like do the things that we were doing in our previous tutorial. Let's change this. Upload. And I will put some black color. One more thing, it's a variable, yes. So this one is a button download. It's a variable, and also the text download, and let's change the color. Okay, so we have it really simple. Let's come here and add even on pressed. So on upload, we will add here some variable that we'll call like VaREST test actor, and it's of class VaREST. So we will from here call our actor. Let's put it editable and pause and spawn. Okay, so when this button is pressed, we will run that event upload image. That's it. And when download is pressed, we will download image. Okay, so I think this is it from here. Now here we need on begin play. Back in our VaREST test actor, we will create a widget. Yes, this widget will be of class widget blueprint, this, and we will pass here the self-reference of this actor. Yes, we will promote this as a variable. We will save it as UI. And then we will get that UI variable and we will add it to the viewport. So let's make the first test. Let's upload the photo, yes, the image, and then let's hit the download to see what we got here. First, we need, of course, to set running our server. So cd backend, and now here npm run start. Okay, our server is running in the port 5000. So let's double check 5000 here and 5000 here. Yes, so let's run it. So we have this. So we'll upload it. Uploading file. Here should be done. It's some typing mistake, and we have the photo already there. Let's just confirm it's here. And now let's download it. So when we download it, what we got here, this is an array of bytes. Yes, so we need to transform that to a texture to be able to use it inside our Unreal Engine. So if we come here, we cannot get access to it as a JSON because we are not getting a JSON. But what we can do is get the response content, and we'll have this array of bytes. So this, we can use the node import buffer as texture 2D, yes, and this will be our texture, yes, and we can use now the reference to our UI, and we will get the image. We didn't set it, so we have to come back here. We will put this image as variable with the name image. Compile and save, and then here we can get the image, and now we can set brush from texture. So we pass the texture that we are building. Yes, continue, and let's try one more time. So to show you how it works, I will delete again this photo. Yes, and we'll make all the process again. So we'll come here, play, let's upload the photo. Yes, the photo is uploaded, let's confirm. It's got again in our server. And now we'll download it, and it's set in our texture, in our image. So like this, we can download the photo from the server and use it inside our Unreal Engine with Get Blueprints, or inside of our Unreal Engine project. There are other cases that the APIs return not a byte of arrays, but actually they give us like an URL to download the photo. Yes, that happened in many cases, like this Open Weather API do that. So in those cases, when we get to that parameter or to that value in string, we use this node download image. We pass here the URL, and this is the texture. And in here we will use set brush from texture dynamic, because we got from here a 2D dynamic texture. So we'll connect here and we will set it on success. So if it works, we have this, and what we can do is connect on fail to use another picture in case it will not work. So yes, so we did these two ways. You can download photos from the APIs and from the servers and use it inside your Unreal Engine. So that's it. I make some changes, as I told you, in the server side. I will upload the repository of this one and of the Unreal Engine project as well. And I hope this is useful for you guys. I hope I help you to answer your question. Please, if you have any other question, don't hesitate to put it in the comments. I will be focused and I will be back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you have a nice rest of the day. Thank you for watching, and hit follow and subscribe if you like this tutorial. Bye-bye.
Wonder how I keep from going.